Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So, in our yesterday's class, we have learnt about Roman numerals. I hope all the rules related to Roman numerals are clear to you all. So, just keep on revising all the concepts that we have done in our previous classes. And today we are going to learn about addition of 5 and 6 digit number. This is your chapter number 2. In previous class you have learnt about addition of 4 digit number, and today we will learn how to add 5 and 6 digit numbers in two ways, without regrouping and with regrouping. So let us move ahead with the concept of without regrouping, means without carry over. So after having this question, what will be your first step for addition? First of all, you are to arrange this in the columns. So let us write place values first: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. I have written these 5 places here because we have a 5 digit number. So let us place this in the columns. And just write the another number. While writing another number, make sure that you are writing the number from the right side and one number is just below the other number, and there should be proper gap between the digits. So let us learn some terms about addition. Here I am adding these two numbers. These two numbers are called addends. Just speak it up with me. Addends. And this symbol is representing addition. That means we have to total them. We have to just add these numbers, and after addition the answer which we will get is called sum. Now let us add. So like we have placed the digits from the right side in these places, so for the purpose of addition also we will start from the right side. You will not start adding from here. Just keep in your mind that you are adding from the ones place. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 plus 0 is 9. Whenever you add 0 to any number, your answer will remain same. The value, individual value, is the answer itself. And let us move further. Now 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, and 1. Basically, you are to add the numbers that are in the same place. This is the case of without regrouping, where we doesn't need to regroup the number to the other place because we have single digit answer here, as you can see. So we have added these addends and we have the sum. So this is the case of without regrouping. Now you have another question also, where what you will do, you will change the order of the addends, and then we will see that whether we have any change in the answer or not. So let us quickly change the order of the addends by placing it in places like we have added. Now previously we have written this to the lower side. Now we will write it on the upper side. Then arrange the leftover number like this. Now you can see that at 10,000's place we have nothing, so we can put 0 here. Okay. Now here what we have done for the same question, we have changed the order of the addends. Now let us see what will be the result of this. 4 plus 1, 5, 9 plus 0, 9, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4 and 0 plus 1, 1. Means even after changing the order of the addends, our sum is same. So what we have learned after this, changing in the order of addends does not affect the sum. Even after changing the order of the addends, our sum will remain same. You just have to keep two things in a mind. The tip that I have written. First is, while adding numbers, always write them in proper columns. Proper columns means these places, and start from the extreme right side, means ones place. Always start from the right side and one digit below the other. One digit below the other. Make sure that you are properly arranging the numbers. Okay, it should be below the other digit and start from the rightmost corner, and there should be proper gap between the digits. And you have to put this symbol also that you are adding the numbers. So this is the case of without regrouping that we have discussed. Now we will move towards the case of with regrouping. With regrouping means with carry over. We will change the order of addends here also to see what will happen. So let us add it now. We have the same step. First we have to arrange it in the places, then we have to put the numbers, and while putting numbers we will keep in our mind that we are writing from the right side, extreme right side, and one digit is below the other. So let us add 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now because this is the case of with regrouping, so here we are regrouping the numbers. That means 8 plus 4, that is 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. What we will do, we will write 2 here and we will carry forward 110 to the hundreds place. Means we have carried forward 1 to the hundreds place. Now what we will do, we will add all these 3 digits together. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 plus 6 is 15. Again we have put 5 here and we will carry forward 1 to the next place. Now again we have these numbers. So just make sure that you are adding the carried forward digit also in the place. Now 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, and here we have 8 plus 8 and 8 plus 8 is 16. If you have the answer 16, that doesn't mean you will write both the digits in single place. No, you have learned the places till 10 crores, right? So just make sure that you are putting single digit in the single column, and we will write 1 here because we have nothing to carry forward now. We have this number, but we don't have the number on which we will carry forward. So we will write this in the next place, that is 1 lakh. Now we have learned that changing in the order of addends does not affect the sum. This thing is applicable in both cases, without regrouping and with regrouping. Here we have checked the case in which we have done it without regrouping. Now let us see this by changing the order here also, means in the case of regrouping. So your first step again is to write the places. Okay, and then we have put the number here because here it is, so we are just changing the order now. So here we have 82885, start from the extreme right corner and write 1 digit below the other. Let us add. 5 plus 1 is 6. 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. So we will write 2 and 1 will be carried forward. Now add these 3 digits. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So we will write 5 here and 1 will be carried forward to the thousands place. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Again we are left with 8 and 8, so 8 plus 8 is 16, where 6 is in the 10,000s place and 1 is in the lakhs place. So here you can see that changing in the order of the addends does not affect the sum. Our answer is same here. Answer is 1,68,526. Answer is same. So just keep these few things in your mind while adding. Assignment I am sending you, just properly arrange them in columns. Make sure that you are keeping these 2 tips in your mind. Write properly, write in a good hand, make proper digit formation, write down places also. Okay, and you can check your answer by changing the order of the addends. You can check yourself whether your answer is correct or not by changing the order of the addends. If your answer is same, that means you have done it correctly. Okay, and make sure that you have these 2 terms in your mind. Addends, the numbers that you are adding, and sum. This is the symbol for addition. Places you all know till 10 crores. Let us quickly recapitulate that also. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000s. Then lakh and then 10 lakhs. Right? Because we are adding 5 and 6 digit number, so you should know all these places. Just arrange the numbers in columns properly and solve the assignment that I am sending you.